Once again, the spotlight will be back on Oscar Pistorius for his latest court appearance. The trial has gripped this nation and has created massive interest around the world. The 26-year-old double amputee is expected to be indicted for the murder of his girlfriend, Reeva Steenkamp, who would now be celebrating her 30th birthday. The trial will then be transferred from the Magistrates' Court to a High Court and is unlikely to begin until early next year. Oscar Pistorius is out on bail, but is rarely seen in public. The bail hearing back in February felt like a trial, as the court heard conflicting accounts of what happened. Reeva Steenkamp died here in the athlete's home during the early hours of Valentine's Day. The prosecution argues that it was a premeditated murder, that Mr. Pistorius had time to put on his artificial legs and followed his girlfriend from the bedroom into the bathroom and deliberately shot her 4 times from close range through the toilet door. The defence maintains that he thought there was an intruder in the home, and feeling vulnerable without his artificial legs on, Oscar Pistorius fired from some distance. Since his last court appearance in June, Oscar Pistorius has returned to training, but it's not known if the man who became a hero to many for battling against the odds will ever race competitively again. Will Ross, BBC News, Pretoria.